Tesla is well known for its electric cars and solar energy solutions, but when is the fabled Tesla phone releasing? If insider reports are to be believed, Tesla, the world's biggest electric vehicle maker, is working on a futuristic smartphone, potentially named Model Pi. Despite widespread industry leaks and rumors, the Texas-based company has been tight-lipped about the purported device. It has not confirmed production plans yet and is keeping product development under wraps. However, industry insiders expect the company to launch its first smartphone late next year or in early 2024. So what is so special about the upcoming Tesla Model Pi smartphone? Does it have a SIM card? What would be the monthly charge for using Starlink using this link? And is it necessary for you to purchase a Tesla vehicle in order to obtain one? In today's video, we'll answer all the questions and reveal all the unofficial details that make us so excited about the futuristic Tesla mobile phone. So stay tuned till the end of this video if you don't want to miss out anything. Now let's dive in right away. Smartphones aren't anything new in 2022. From the iPhone, Galaxy S lineup, Google Pixels, etc., the smartphone market has had years to grow and mature. But that doesn't mean folks aren't still looking for something fresh and exciting. For its part, Tesla has primarily focused on the automotive industry. The company sells 4 cars today, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. It's also working on the Cybertruck, Roadster, and Semi for future releases. Combined with Tesla's solar roof and solar panels, it's safe to say the company has its hands full with a pretty varied product portfolio. But what does Tesla have to do with smartphones? Although the two may not seem remotely connected, there's regular chatter online about Tesla eventually releasing its own Tesla phone. It all started in February 2021 when the YouTube channel ADR Studio uploaded a video titled Tesla Model P Concept. The video shows ADR vision of what a Tesla phone could look like, including features like a Starlink internet connection, powerful cameras, and solar charging. It all looks and sounds very impressive, leading some people to wonder when the Tesla phone's release date is. If we talk about its design aspect, the all-NEW concept phone model by Tesla can have a design quite similar to the iPhone 12. In the concept video, we can see that on the front, there is a hole-punch camera with a shortcut icon for calling and taking pictures at the bottom of the standby screen. The back is light gray, is said to use solar energy, has an ultrasonic fingerprint unlock function under the screen on the front. The back is equipped with a camera with 4 lenses. Also, very important to note here is the connection functionality of Tesla Model P and the Starlink system of Elon Musk that can be seen from the video, with the upload/download speed reaching twice as high as 210 m in terms of electric vehicle control. This could be an exclusive feature Musk has considered tied to Tesla models. The brain-computer interface system connection function on Tesla Model P is used to replace some functions lost due to human brain injury and to transmit information to control mobile phones or other devices and future memory storage function. Next comes the high-speed photography function. Normally, the shooting function will be the highlight of modern smartphones. The Model P camera is currently equipped with 4 lenses, but specific functions are not introduced. However, the video shows the function of capturing the starry sky with 1 click. This is a function that is not available to any professional mobile phone camera, because in order to achieve long exposure shots, one often has to use a professional camera with a tripod, which demonstrates the Model P's powerful shooting functions in low light. In addition, the high-speed photography function is also a significant highlight of this smartphone. Regarding the specific specifications, the video did not mention details. However, with the available mining functionality, it's not hard to imagine how powerful the configuration of the Model P is. In fact, everyone knows that mining with PC consumes a huge amount of power and requires a fairly high-end GPU to be able to turn a smartphone into a virtual money mining station. Elon Musk will surely equip it. The Model P concept model was designed by Antonio de Rosa, known for his Apple product ideas, in honor of Tesla's Starlink and SpaceX. As soon as the initial concept of this model was released on de Rosa's blog, it quickly attracted the attention of the public, including Elon Musk. Since the first iPhones came out, the lives of many people, especially tech fanatics, have had a lot of impact. In recent years, smartphones from Apple and many other manufacturers have not changed much in quality. This upcoming smartphone, if it can be released, is expected to bring a revolutionary change to the current smart mobile phones, as humanity, typically Elon Musk with SpaceX, accelerates into a future of air travel, air-exhausting vehicles, and hopes to have an Apple car soon. This concept phone raises a question which is very important. Will Tesla also dominate the smartphone market one day? Well, the answer is very obvious. Now talking about the current smartphone market, here is how the new Model Pi will bring innovation in the space. Assumptions are all anyone can run on with this phone, and with zero reliable sources to use, it's unclear what this phone could look like on the inside. It would have all the standard components, like 1-2 TB of storage, 16 GB or more RAM, an AMOLED display, and a screen around 6.5 inches. According to the Inside Scoop, Tesla Model Pi that is rumored to be getting its official debut very soon. Tesla's smartphone release date is being kept a well-guarded secret, which is regrettable. Despite this, we already have an idea of what the device will look like and what it can do. The Tesla Model Pi render reveals that Musk's smartphones will have a sharp design with its flat side edges. It is assumed that the front camera will be located under the screen, and the main camera will receive 4 sensors as we've mentioned before. It will also use the technology of photochromic coating of the case, which allows you to change color depending on the environment. Unsurprisingly, the specs mention the use of SpaceX's Starlink internet. The use of technologies from another company, Neuralink, working on the creation of brain implants, looks even more futuristic. A recent demonstration on 3 pigs shows that the technology is at an early stage of development. There is no word yet on a possible price for a phone. Tesla is currently the most valuable car company at over $868 billion, more than the combined capitalization of Toyota, Nissan, Ford, and Volkswagen. The largest share of the Texas-based company's revenue is EV sales, the majority of which comes from lower-priced Model Y and Model 3 cars. It reported its largest quarterly net profit between October and December. The company crossed the $2 billion mark in net profit for the first time despite a global semiconductor shortage and supply chain disruptions. Its net profit rose about 760% year-on-year to more than $2.3 billion. A phone with all the advanced tech described below would cost more than a few $1,000s. Subsequent versions could come down in price as more people start using the technology, but we wouldn't expect the first iteration to be affordable for most people. Assuming the phone is real and that it would start relatively basic with just a few of the rumored features, it'd likely sit at a more sensible $600 to $1,200. Now we completely understand why Tesla shares have skyrocketed, propelling Elon Musk to become the world's wealthiest man. Elon genuinely has plans to disrupt trillion-dollar industries worldwide, beginning with the automobile and energy sectors, then on to rockets and satellites, and now to consumer electronics. Apple and Samsung are the undisputed kings of the smartphone market. Together, they account for about 70% of all sales. And Apple still sells more smartphones than any other company on the planet. But Elon Musk's new phone has the potential to shake things up. It's not just that he's challenging Apple or Samsung with a sleek design and cutting-edge features. His phone is also coming at an incredibly competitive price point of $699, which will make it more accessible to many different people. That said, several obstacles need to be overcome before his device can severely impact this space. The first challenge will be getting people to buy it in droves. After all, what good is a less expensive phone if it only appeals to a niche audience? Elon Musk's new phone will change the mobile industry. The phone will change from what's already on the market, and it'll have a hefty price tag to match. Competition in the industry is fierce, and it'll be interesting to see how this phone fares. And that brings us to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts about Elon Musk launching a Tesla smartphone? Will it be as big as electric cars or not? Let's decide in the comments. Thanks for watching.